So today I'm really going to be talking about how you need to think in order to really attract these luxury clients that you want into your business. This is not about content. This is not about any kind of going out and getting clients. This is really talking about, in this video, your mindset. So I'll just hop right in. So I have this like makeshift half and half kind of graph that I'm going to help demonstrate exactly what I'm experiencing today. And don't mind my line. I know it's not as straight as possible, but I just want to talk about how the things that you're doing aren't giving you the results that you want. And it really stems from your mindset. So I'm just going to hop right in. So if you're a beauty professional or a luxury extension service provider and you're not getting the clients, that you really have to look at the things that you're currently doing in your business. So most of you guys are possibly just, posting on social media, posting on social with no real strategy, or you guys are, looking at what other people are doing. You're looking at what other people are doing, and it's good to get inspiration, but you have to put yourself in the mind of a strategic business owner. And strategic business owners do look at their competition, but they create a competitive analysis and they come back to the drawing board and wonder or organize a plan on how they could do things differently strategically. But first you have to have a plan in place before you move strategically. Your plan just can't be look at what she's posting and then you copy. She gets a lot of comments, she has a lot of followers. No, you have to look at your business internally and ask yourself, do I even have this system in place? Do I even have a social media strategy, or am I just like posting aimlessly and trying to compete with other people when I don't even have the basics of what I need in my business? So really something to think about. And most of you guys are really depending on referrals. Now, referrals are great. I love referrals, and that's actually how I grew my business and how a lot of people grow their business. But if you're looking for a predictable stream of clients to come in your business, you worry about referrals after you have a predictable client getting system in place. You'll notice that you're probably not getting enough clients. That's why you're probably even watching this video, because you know the things that you're doing, posting on social, looking at what other people are doing, referrals, word of mouth, they're just not getting you the results that you want, right? Take a look at our results to determine like, what am I not doing that could possibly be in the way, of me not getting the results that I'm getting. How am I thinking? All right? Because if you're not thinking strategically, then your business won't grow strategically. It'll be sporadic, it'll be inconsistent, and it just won't grow. So now, based off of the results you've been getting from doing all of these things right here, now you need to think about what is working. So you probably, and just to go back to what you've probably done, you probably, ran some paid ads or worked with a marketing agency. And to be honest, the budget probably wasn't big enough, and you probably got in at a low retainer, and that's why you didn't get results, because your budget just wasn't good enough. So you just thought it didn't work. But I'm going to prove to you today that if you have a beauty client acquisition system that is actively, predictably growing your business and attracting the clients into your business, it in fact does work, and it does work for hair salons all over the United States. Right now, there are people running $10 and $20 ads and getting people into the business every day. And I like to say that if you don't have clients coming into your business is dying, probably what you're experiencing now. So you don't want to depend on people, because you know how undependable people are. You know what I'm saying? People, you cannot depend on nobody to grow your business. That's why you have to have different sources to get clients. So that includes social media. Yes, that's important, but you're probably not doing it correctly. That includes a competitive analysis. You're doing that, just doing it in the wrong way. It does include referrals, but you gotta keep getting new people in order to have a referral system, because if you don't have no clients, you can't make no referrals. You can't encourage clients to do referrals. You tap out and you max out of a certain time, There's only so many times you can ask that girl to come in and invite her family. You done did everybody now. you know? And then there's also limit to word of mouth, and it ties into referrals. And then if you don't know how to run paid advertisement, then it's not going to make a difference in your results, because you're going to think you're not getting any results, and you're not an expert in that area. So obviously, just logically thinking, how would you be good at something if you've never done it before, or you haven't continued to try it? Like here, like we run paid ads for beauty clients and hairstylists and beauty professionals, and we have a return on investment of about 4x, mostly more than that in the first week of working with us. And that's why we have that guarantee to get you 12 microlink K-Sip or iSip clients in 30 days, or you don't pay. We do that because we know what we're doing. So that's why we do that, but this is not what I'm here for. I'm really here just to make sure that you have the right mindset and the right understanding to know how to make decisions. If you're not good at something, you find somebody else who is good at it and you let them do it for you. Now, it's kind of hard for people to relinquish control because they're so hell-bent on controlling every aspect of their business, especially when it comes to like marketing systems and getting clients. But you have to think like, what have you been doing? What are the results? Is this the result that I want? And if not, what do I need to do in order to get that result? Okay. Obviously, the easy thing to do will be just to stop, which is what a lot of people do. They get inconsistent. The logical thing to do would be to find and seek somebody else that knows what they're doing. Now, if you're still stuck in a place where you value your time, not time, but you value your money over time, then it's going to be real difficult for you to grow because you're so stuck in like this job mindset where you're trading your time for money, right? And if you're not an expert in that area, you're just not going to grow. So instead of doing things that allow you to get the results all right, you seek out experts that are good in the things that you aren't good at. You learn about the things you aren't good at. Now, depending on if you value money over time, this may take you a little bit longer, but it's still important to be educated on the things that you aren't good at. That just happens to be something that you need to do as a well-rounded business owner. You need to have an idea of how these things work, because all of the aspects do help contribute to the success of a business. So we have seek out experts in the things you aren't good at. You learn about the things you aren't good at, or you just outsource. And I guess this ties into this, just outsource, right? But it takes a special kind of person to understand and really be self-evaluating, because a lot of people are stuck in a position that they don't have to be in, and it's due to their decision-making and how they make choices and about how they're actually thinking about their current circumstance. Like, why am I not getting clients? Okay, I'm not getting clients because I'm doing this. Do I even have everything that I need? Or you can just look at your past experience and see, I've been doing this all along, but I'm still not getting the results that I want. So why continue doing the same things that got me the results I got in the past? I need to do something different. I need to reach out to somebody who knows what they're doing. I need to learn about other marketing efforts, not even marketing, other things that can help me grow my business that I probably never looked into. And I just need to overall be a person that really, what's the word I'm looking for? That really critically thinks about decisions and, the current circumstance that they're really in, and figure out a way on how you can get out of it.